Hello, and welcome to a 2-minute tutorial on Zotero, a free-to-use research tool that allows users to collect, organize, and properly cite information resources. Start by going to Google and searching for Zotero. Click here. Now click on Download. You're going to want to download both Zotero and Zotero Connector. Once both are downloaded, you're ready to go. I'll just open up Zotero. As you can see, I've already added some resources. This is my main library, which lists all my resources. I've also created 4 collections and added each resource to one of them. I'll create a new collection by clicking here, then titling it. Now I have 5 collections in my library. When I'm using the Wishart library databases or Omni, I can use Zotero Connector to add resources to Zotero. Once I find a resource I like, I can find Zotero Connector in the top right-hand corner of my web browser. Just click to add, then hit enter. Now, in Zotero, I have all the metadata on this article and a PDF of the article as well. I'll just add this to my macroeconomics collection. I can also use Zotero to create both in-text citations and a bibliography page in Microsoft Word. When I open up Word, I can see that Zotero has been automatically added. Let's create some in-text citations. After citing someone else's ideas or information, click Zotero, add Edit Citation. The first time you'll need to select a citation style, then click OK. A search bar will come up. Enter 1 or 2 words from the title of the resource or the author's name, select the resource, and hit enter. Let's do that again. Zotero, add Edit Citation, enter title or author info, select, hit enter. Once my paper is done, I'll go down a few lines, type in the title of my bibliography, select Zotero, click Add Edit Bibliography, and I'm all set. For more information about Zotero, go to YouTube, search for Wishart Library, click on our channel, then click on Playlists. We have a playlist of short tutorials created by McGill University that will help answer any questions you might have. Thanks for watching.